What music is that I hear?
Something to try and make you feel at home.
So we're in the process of driving from the beautiful Black Hills in South Dakota to Glacier National Park. We have some good news and unfortunately some bad news. So the bad news is we can't get the batteries to charge in the Airstream, and I don't know what to do. We've tried plugging it into a generator, we've tried plugging it into a wall, and unfortunately these things will not charge no matter what we do.
The good news is we made it to Montana, the Big Sky State. Montana life is big. Big mountains, big animals, and big sky, which is where we are today in Big Sky, Montana.
So Big Sky, Montana is uniquely situated between two major mountain ranges. It's 1 hour south of Bozeman, Montana, and basically there's only one road in and out, Highway 191.
Since our Airstream is a little sick, we decided to rent an Airbnb in Big Sky, Montana for the next few days. This was also the perfect stopping off point between the Black Hills of South Dakota and Glacier National Park, which is our next stop.
We've only got a few days, but we're gonna see as much as we can while we're here. First up, hiking. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're outdoors doing a little hiking.
Yeah.
What hike are we on?
We're on the Lava Lake hike, which is about 6 miles out and back, so 3 miles there, 3 miles back. And the elevation gain is just a breezy 1,600 feet.
Our legs feel like there's cement on them because this elevation is kind of killing us. But we have our bear spray ready to pull.
Bear.
And we've got sandwiches in the backpack, and hopefully we can do a little swimming when we get to the top.
So the whole reason why we chose this hike is because there's an alpine lake 3 miles in, Lava Lake. And hopefully we can go swimming. I'm sure it's gonna be really warm, right? Probably not. But I'm pumped.
Let's do it. Oh my God, guys, this is the whole reason that we did this hike. Look at this. It's cold. Oh. So it turns out I definitely have a problem. Plug the Airstream into a generator. It's supposed to charge the batteries at the same time while powering all the 110 outlets. Didn't work. So I thought plug it in to 110 and then maybe that'll be the solution. Turns out that doesn't work either. So I think basically what's happened is our 12 volt converter is dead. So we're gonna have to get that fixed. So I need to figure out a way to get these batteries charged, because if I don't, they're gonna die and it's gonna be an expensive replacement. All right, did some research online and I've got a possible solution. So jumper cables in the truck. Got them plugged in, and I'm hoping that this will charge the batteries and we'll be able to limp along until we can get this thing fixed. Bad news again, that doesn't work. Turns out the truck will automatically regulate the voltage down to around 12 to 12 and a half, so I really don't get much of a charge to the batteries. I need to figure out a way to get the truck to turn up the voltage on the alternator somewhere around 13 plus, so that it actually drives voltage into the batteries. Back to the drawing board. I think I figured out a solution. So using my little 300 watt inverter, which we use on the road while we're driving, helps charge laptops and batteries. Awesome little product, put a link below. But it's got a display, it shows the voltage of the batteries. Right now it's showing 14.7 because I just turned on the car. but it allows me to see what the battery's at. I found out that if I turn up the fans, don't have to have the air conditioner running, it will actually turn the voltage up to around 13.5, which that gives me enough power to charge the batteries of the Airstream. I think I found a temporary solution to my problem. Yeah! That means I finally have enough voltage to charge the batteries. This has been a nightmare to go through because without these batteries properly charging, I didn't know what I was gonna do. I thought we were actually gonna ruin all the batteries and have to buy some new ones until we can actually get the 12-volt converter fixed. But now they have this short-term solution, which might be taxing on the alternator on the truck a little bit, but I think on the short term we'll be okay. So when we're plugged in and we don't use any of the fans or the lights, we're not really using any 12 volt. All the 110 will be powering is the refrigerator and the air conditioner if we need to use it. So a charge like this will probably last us a few days and we can limp along until I can get this into a dealership to get it fixed. Whew. Good morning, or should I say good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're on another mountain.
Surprise, surprise. We're at Big Sky Resort today, mountain biking.
That's right, we got our bikes right there, got our helmets. And we are hitting the slopes without any snow on them. We're in the trails.
We're about 8,000 feet right now. Huffing and puffing, and I'm not even biking yet.
Let's hit it.
Let's do it.
So Colette decided to hang around a little bit after lunch. I am by myself. I'm feeling a little ambitious. I think I might try my first Black Diamond Trail. Joker's Lips. A little nervous, but excited. See how this goes. Oh, whew. That is definitely, whoa, Jesus Christ. Holy shit. The true expert just rode by, doing like 50 miles an hour. I am not at his level. My quads are burning. Feeling good, a little apprehensive, but having fun. I don't think Coco would have liked this trip, at least this trail. I don't think she would have had fun on it. A little too steep. Well, the day was almost 100% success. I got a flat tire on the very last run. Looks like I'm walking it back home. Oh well, still had fun.
So Scott went out and did a couple more runs, and I had a couple runs of my own. Cheers, we had a great day.
We did have a good day.
I had so much fun with you.
It is 7:30 in the morning and I am so sore. The past 2 days, hiked 6 miles, 16,000 feet of elevation. Yesterday, mountain biked until basically I couldn't walk. Let's just say I think Big Sky has gotten the best of me. It might be a rest day today. I might have gone a little too hard.
Glad we weren't out hiking when this storm hit.
Oh no, that is a big hill! Woo!